He's getting milk right now. He's trying to push him off to try and get there. So he keeps slapping this one to get him away. And they... Stranger antics. Oh, see? They're 4 days old and they're scrapping like survival. Like this is the last hope for survival. Which, what clever little species. I guess they're not wrong. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, he's found the right method and now he's fighting back. Oh no. They're very violent and this guy is not succeeding at all. He's underneath everyone. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There's 2 fights going on now. Oh, look at them. I know, Mama. It's happened all day and they keep doing it. They don't stop for nothing. Hey, princess. Hey, look at you. They were previously in a box with a comfortable blanket, but Mother keeps moving them. Mama Bear prefers this place, this corner, which is strange, but you know, she's the boss. They're calming down now. Oh, I think these guys are about to fight in a minute. Hey, would you look at that? I was going to say all's well that ends well, but actually, I think one kitten has accepted defeat. So, maybe not. There's not so much fighting.